I'm going to be installing our new bedroom ceiling lights, so I wanted to reveal them. We looked online, we were looking around, and we found these vintage hanging lights. These are probably, I don't know, not super old, but they could be as old as I'm going for with the house, but you know. And they come with a white frosted glass globe. It's just a round globe. I was able to get a pair of these that matched, so I went ahead and got them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chain off because we don't want the chain look, and we don't want them so low. So I'm just taking the chain right off. I'm going to link it on this last loop, and we're going to be hanging it like that, so no chain. I think it's going to be cool because it'll give it a little bit of drop. It'll have that cool brass look that we're going for. I like the style. I just like how it looks. Because these mount on our ceiling beams, they're not up in the top. They don't need a long hang to look good. So that's what we're going to be doing. Now sometimes when you get these old lamps like this, you want to wire them up, and you might see that they come like this. Sometimes they come like this. There is no distinguishing feature between the two wires. They have paint on them, but that's not supposed to be there, it's just paint. So when you wire these up to the box in the ceiling, you're not going to know which one goes to the white, which one goes to the black. Now the light will function either way. It doesn't matter which way they go, but there is a correct way to do it. So I'm going to show you how you find out which one goes where. The first thing you do is look closely at the wires. In most situations, you're going to find that one of them has little ribs on it, little ridges. So one will be totally smooth and the other one will have ridges running down the length. The one with the ridges on it is going to go to the white wire. That's the neutral, if it's wired properly. So the ridges goes to white, the smooth goes to black. Now if you, like mine, has two smooth wires and there's no ridges and they're not color labeled, take an electric meter, put it on the ohms setting, the resistance setting. You're going to be testing resistance. Mine has a setting down here where you can hear a tone if you have a connection. So now we know if the wires are connected. Now I only have two hands, so this is a little tricky, but you're going to put one of the contacts on the inside of the socket, right here on this, the part the bulb screws into. Just push it right on there. And the other one, you're just going to touch the ends of these wires. And there it is. So this one, so it beeped, and if yours doesn't have a beep, you'll just watch for the screen to change and you'll see the numbers going. This wire connects to that part of the socket, and that means this is the white wire, so you hook to the white. You want that to be neutral. It's important for the neutral to go to the side so that when you're unscrewing or screwing a bulb in, if you accidentally touch that bulb base, you won't get shocked. The neutral won't shock you. And the hot goes all the way back down in here. If you had the wires reversed, the live wire could be here, and that's a lot easier to get shocked when you're touching the light bulb because that metal can come up out of here. Just trust me, you want the white wire going to that part of the light. Anyway, I'm going to get installing and see how they look in the bedroom. Well, the install went perfect. They look cool. I'm happy with them. I was afraid they would have too much of like a 70s vibe, even though they're probably like from the 50s. They look good. I like them, and I like them without the chain on them. This light has a chain. It's fine, but sometimes I don't like the chain. We'll have another video coming soon. So, until next time, take care.